Hey everyone, how you doing out there? Have any of you seen the recent meme on the internet talking about the fact that we allegedly, if you believe the things you read, put a human on the moon in 1969, but didn't figure out wheels on luggage until 1970? Kind of a funny thing, I suppose, but I do love my wheeled luggage. As you know, I'm a big fan of Pelican cases. Pretty much my whole family, all my teammates, we all roll through airports with these. I love being able to transport my gear more easily. What I don't love is that due to Alaska's really stupid baggage policies, I don't find myself carrying the 1615 as much anymore. Now, truth be told, I don't really mind traveling light these days. The little 1535s do me just right, except when I'm trying to haul two of them. I don't like to have my hands encumbered when I'm going through an airport. You see me with my backpack all the time. If you have two of these little Johns, trying to stack them together is not happening due to what I consider to be a pretty freaking big design defect in this style of case, which is why I made these. Yeah, if you see me out and about in the world, I abhor just not having my hands free to do whatever I need, whether that's pull a phone out, check paperwork, scratch my face. And carrying two of these 1535s, yes, it's convenient. You can split them off. One can be a carry-on, but I don't like dragging stuff through the airport that way. So these little straps allow me to do exactly what you're seeing here. I can drop a small Pelican case right on top of the other one and interlock them together very robustly. Doesn't matter if I'm going up and down stairs, off of a curb, on an escalator, through elevators, through a garage. They're not going to fall apart. I can pull them apart if I need to. This works really well for me, and I wanted to share them with you. Like most things I create, the same 3 points always apply. One, I don't know what to call them. I think we've been just calling them Pelican pair bands or something right now. Maybe you have a better idea, tell me down below. Two, I don't know if they're gonna show up on the website that I don't name. Maybe they will one day. It's not a high priority for me. It's probably not a high priority for y'all. But three, if you want them, you don't need them on a website because you can just have them. Like most things I create, this is going to be on my GitHub. It's going to be released Creative Commons. You want to make them for yourselves non-commercially? I made a whole instruction manual on how to assemble and fit them in. If you want to do that, have at it. Huge thanks, by the way, goes to Blake, someone I met at Tour Camp, a mainstay of the hacker community up here in Cascadia. Very talented designer and artist. Instantly understood what I meant when I described this design. They were like, oh yeah, I can put this together, I can knock this out, look, boom. So yeah, could not have done this without Blake. I don't link to my own website, but I will link to Alerity Design. That's Blake's company. They do brilliant, beautiful work. So yeah, have a look at them. Have a look at these if you want to try them out. And wherever you go, up in the air, on the ground, around the world, hope your luggage stays together, and I hope very much that you all stay safe out there.